Welcome back to Crypto Wealth channel, guys. In today's video we're going to be doing technical analysis on the Bitcoin price. Just in this case scenario, we're going to discuss if we can actually break $20,000 soon or not, because in this video over here we discussed where are the next levels of the support, but in this video we can discuss about target, actually, $20,000. We predicted the drop, pullback towards 20 exponential moving average and further in that video, so make sure to check it out. Also on this channel we are doing trading, Bitcoin, Link and other altcoins, so make sure if you're interested in the details of that trade, how it went, what went wrong in the trade, stop losses, why we've been stopped out, why we put this or that, and much more details to learn about trading and analysis, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, because we are doing such a stuff over here on this channel. So in today's video we do have some interesting development on the chart over here, and we need to see when the Bitcoin plans to actually retest $20,000 again, because in one of the video I put it open order over here above $20,000, when we break $20,000 to celebrate with one open order as a long position. And one of the reasons for not trading the short position, from here, I think somewhere here we put it that order. The reason why we didn't put the short position is because the trend is your friend, so we're not going to go against the trend. Anyway, even if we know it's correction, even if it's no pullback, I wouldn't recommend trade short into the bull market always. And now over here, as you can see, we do have some interesting development on the chart, and you can see that the Bitcoin has been making higher low since that drop in the March over here, and we can see one blue interesting line. We can exclude actually exponential moving average, so you can see much better. You can see that the Bitcoin has been making over here this in the previous 30 days or so, and we can see the third retest over here. I need to just move this camera so you can see much better the chart. This is the reason why we are recording on a bigger resolution, so you can see the chart also better. If we zoom in a little bit, you can see that we are climbing slowly to the upside, but also we do have some critical levels over here that are being retested just this very moment while we are talking, right? And as you can see, we are on the middle of retesting this blue line, so I do truly believe if we close below this line over here, we're most probably going to visit $16,000. And if you want to know reason why, make sure to check out this video about those targets, a lot of targets that we set over here, and there are pretty good reasons. Also, this video predicted some stuff, so make sure to check it out. We are making one of the candle pattern that I need to mention right now. Of course, the day is still on, we still didn't close this candle because the day is still on, but in 7 hours and 53 minutes, if we close above this line over here, this blue line, I can with bigger likelihood confirm some kind of a reversal pattern. Why? Because over here this candle right now is called the hammer, and it's pretty much single candle pattern over here. This pattern is formed on the bottom of some retrace or the downtrend, whatever you want to call it, and it's forming as a reversal pattern, and also the color is totally unimportant. Now the point is for this candle is to stay like this in the next 7 hours and 53 minutes, let's say 8, and if the next candle opens actually over here, then we can say that we are reversing and we are bouncing from this triangle. We can even pretty much say this is the ascending triangle. They have the chance to break to the upside like 70-75% or so that's pretty good percentage for breaking to the upside. Right now, the only condition over here that needs to be met is to actually close above this line over here. The 20 MA is broken, but it doesn't mean that it's going to stay like that in the next 24 hours. So this is the reason to observe this triangle over here that we are forming. As you can see, we have flat resistance on the $20,000, and also we do have the support to the downside. We are making higher lows. Now, good indication that to happen is because also the RSI has been in chill out zone for quite some days over here. As you can see, we are not below level of 50, which is pretty good, and also we're not above level of 70 over here, which is also very important. We are not overbought, so that gives us much more space to move the price at least towards $20,000 to retest it, or maybe even break it. We're going to see actually how this will develop, but nevertheless we do have very good chances to break $20,000 if in the next 8 hours we close above over here, next candle needs to open, you know, above this hammer over here. That is going to pretty much be confirmation. Now the wrong thing would be over here to break this low over here, because it's acting like a support. We mentioned that this over here is acting like a support, but it's broken with this hammer over here. Or let's say we can even say, you know, we can argue that it's confirmed, this bottom is confirmed by this candle, even so we have a little bit distinctions, but we're going to see if we can hold like this in the next 8 hours. If so, we may actually see higher prices already in the next 2 to 3 days, right? Now we are still into the bull market and we shouldn't exclude that, so it's better to leave this technical analysis so simple and see what is going to happen during the weekend, you know, during the close of today's candle over here. If we manage to stay above this blue line over here, I would be optimistic over here and bullish when it comes to retest of $20,000 and even breaking it. We put one order on the buy bit over here, it's still waiting, you know, so if we break $20,000, we're going to do video about that trade also, and we're going to see how far we can go, you know, above those $20,000 over here, because above $20,000 we don't know what will happen, because it's pretty much unexplored territory. We do have some metrics when it comes to the Fibonacci retracements and stuff like that, but let's leave that for the next video. Now I think this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Short update but very useful. Observe the chart of the Bitcoin. Also other altcoins are most probably going to follow the movement of the Bitcoin. I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos. Have a nice weekend, and until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.